up before the sun. Got my coffee, this is gonna be fun. Got my gun, got my dog, got my call. Man, there's just no time like the fall. Tell the boys we're headed out for the woods. You know the outdoors does the soul some good. Climb a tree or set out the blinds and sit back, soak it in. It'll clear your mind.
Dude, I know we heard that bird, man.
I got every time you called in the truck back.
This wind is killing us.
Oh, yeah.
That's him, man. That is him.
Yeah.
Now, do we want to go in there or we want to stay up in here? It looks good enough. I think we could do something down here. Let's show him again. Dude,
Right there.
he's behind us, man. Dude, we gotta go. Where are we going? Straight forward. Go to the left. Dude, this is good. He's coming. Dude, get behind the tree. Get your face mask on.
Surprised I can't see him.
Oh, he might come up.
Alright. I could swing left a lot easier than I can right, so.
Yep. I'm gonna follow your gun barrel.
Yeah.
So. Is that up top or in front of you?
Right down my barrel. I just can't see him. Tom or Jake. Oh yeah. Long beard. You think that's close enough? I had a branch right there his head. You let me know when. Can you not swing left?
No. Lean your head forward. I got him. Oh, dude. Get on him.
He ain't got no fan.
Really? Coyotes maybe ripped it out.
He's got no fan.
I was just gonna say coyotes maybe ripped it out.
What'd you say?
I said coyotes maybe ripped it out.
Come on in a little bit more. Right into here. Oh my God, are you kidding?
He's got no fangs. He's a big long beard. Good spurs on him.
Right past these trees. Right there. Good. Good. Hop in there, bro.
He has 5 tail feathers total.
That's fancy.
Good beard.
And they didn't fall out, right?
No, down there. Little woods bird, huh?
Dude, look at the rope. Yeah, baby. Good chest on him. Nice bird, man.
Man, the curse is broken. We broke the Jace
Dude,
curse.
I don't know.
We broke the Jake curse.
I don't know. Check out
I don't know if you can call him a tom when there's no fan to
Check out
judge.
that fan. That's beautiful. Dude, you can't win.
Oh man, I love it. I'm totally okay with it. You know what? It's a mature bird.
It is.
My heart was racing. Pretty sure I could hear his heart racing from the backside of the tree.
I keep telling him, you're going to see the camera shaking like crazy. I'm like, dude, move your head forward, because he came down. Dude, all I had was the backside of your dome.
Yep.
That was all I had. I'm like, dude, just lean your head forward. And that's when he was like, he's out,
Yep,
man. You
yep.
were like, shh, you went like that. I'm like, I got him. You know, getting a bird, hunting a bird is, I don't want to say easy, because it's not. But the communicate, you could have smoked him
Yep.
10 times to Sunday.
Yep.
And I'm like, no. And to have that commitment from a friend and a team member and somebody that will literally let that opportunity walk away is just epic, bro. You know,
Appreciate everything, man.
absolutely, you know,
You must
it
have traded
means
out
so
for the
much.
Vermont
And then,
phone call.
and then he's here with us, and he's not even carrying a gun, you know, just to be part of it. And what do you got going on today, bro?
My wife's due date.
What a champ! My wife.
Probably going into labor right now as we speak.
But you know what? I mean, this is the epitome of why we do it, man.